The Safetots metal multi-panels provide a great solution, enabling you to make fire surrounds, play dens and room dividers. We do the panels in a variety of sizes, ranging from a gate opening panel at 72 centimetres, different panel sizes 72, 46, 33 and 20. And if we are using the multi-panels as a fire surround or a room divider, we also provide a wall mounting kit that's not required when joining panels as a complete solution to make a play den. The first stage of installation is joining the panels together and positioning as required. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to connect a series of panels together to make a room divider running from this side here over to the wall there. Each panel will come with a pole which comes loose like so. Now, the first stage that we're going to discuss is joining two panels together. So, to join the two panels together, the first thing you do is work out at which angle do you want the two panels to join. So, for the purpose of this demonstration, we'll be joining the two panels at this angle here. The teeth will match and it will slot in exactly how you require. Using the pole, you just insert the pole through the cone at the bottom and raise it up, and then it will just take a little bit of strength just to push that over the top there and into the button. And then this way there, that is secured, fixed in position and has locked the two panels together.